You put your foot in my mouth. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Now you want the camera, huh? You like looking at you. You like looking at yourself, huh? Say, who's that baby? Who is that baby? Who is that? Who is that? Oh! Where are you going? Where are you going, Ori? You gonna get that? You gonna get that baby? It's just out of reach. Just out of reach. Oh, so mean. So mean. You're funny. Oh. Kisses on my baby.
Today we're gonna do the marching band. All right. Right, left, up and down. March, march.
Where are you going?
Do the marching band. Do the marching band. The marching band. Come on. Right, left, up and down. March, on. Do the marching band. Wow.
There's that baby again.
So much
She keeps
fun.
popping up everywhere, huh?
First, you have to practice.
You gonna get her?
Teamwork, play your
Go get her.
instruments together.
Go get that baby.
Everybody's getting
Yeah. Say black, no raspberries.
Great, but a band is more than one person playing music. We all have to work together to become a band.
What are you doing, you silly girl?
We gotta play together as a band if we want to make a hit song.
A hit song?
Yeah, what's a hit song? A hit song is a song that everyone
Oh.
likes to listen to.
Oh.
Let's make a hit song.
See.
You take a little drum. And add a little bass.
What are you doing? Where are you going? What's up? There's that girl again. Hi. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna pretend that was a kiss. I'm gonna pretend that was a kiss. What's that? What's on my shirt? You gonna eat it? Oh, why so sad? Why so sad? Ah! Ow! That hurts. Ow!
Hey guys, can I be in the band too? Yeah! I can add some remix magic. Break it down. First you shake
This show is ridiculous. See, but we love it. I love this show. Ah, look at all that drool on that baby. Who is that? Go get her. Go get her. I'm gonna let you get it. You got it. Oh, mouth. It doesn't taste very good, does it? I'll try it again. Nope. It doesn't taste very good. So I want to try it again just to make sure. Just make sure it didn't taste very good. Oh. Alright, that's enough of that. That's enough. We've eaten enough of the phone. Oh, where'd it go now? It's all the way up there. How'd it get up there? Ah, I'm gonna get it. work. So much work being that small.
There was a little boy named Ollie who loved to make sounds. He liked to stomp his feet on the ground. He liked to blow into an empty bottle.
You ready to get down?
He liked to twang on a rubber dam.
Get down.
But his parents did bother at all of his noise. They said, Ollie, stop making all that noise. Don't you hear Goody and do something quiet?
Oh! There you go.
Ollie went to his room to quietly draw
Bye, Rory.
pictures. But instead, he used his pencils to play the drums.